In this video, we're gonna put some LED spotlights in this smart car. Alright, so smart car's been sitting around for a while. We want to put some nice lights on it because these lights suck, and I wouldn't trust driving at night with these. I've gone down the road, it's not very safe. You can maybe see like 50 feet in front of you, if that. Probably less than that. Anyways, we're going to put these aux beam lights on here hopefully, and they also shine outside. These used to be on my Duramax on the back rack. We took them off there, and the back rack is now sold, and the stack took its place. So we're just going to put these down in the bumper hidden here because they are 100% DOT approved. It even says QC passed on the back. Alright, so like anything else on this car, first step is take one of the two bumpers off, and we're going to take the front bumper off this time because that's where we're working. Alright, this is pretty well where this light's gonna go. There's a plug-in for these little diesel CDIs. We're gonna use that hole there and drill another hole here to mount this one. We're putting the lights in actually upside down so we can adjust the aim from the bottom and the back very easily. So we're gonna make this as universal and easy to adjust as possible, and it's pretty self-explanatory. And if you guys want to do this to your smart cars, just follow the video and it's very easy. So we drilled the holes for where the lights mount on, so we're just going to cut it in half and weld each half piece onto the bumper bar. So this is probably the most bolt-on thing we've done on this whole car. Just weld a 6-inch piece of flat steel on there with a hole in the end and bolt the light to it. So let's get welding. So we just gotta adjust them, and then we put the bumper back on. If I can find it. Oh, I drilled the hole in a little bit of the wrong spot. That could be a predicament. Alright, so we got them all mounted on. The wiring took about 3 minutes. It turned out pretty easy because we already had all the wiring through the firewall. We had a switch ready to go, power and ground. We thought ahead when we were doing all the wiring on this car because we built the whole harness ourselves. It's completely custom. So we're just going to fit the bumper on, and then as soon as it gets dark out, we'll go for a test drive.
as you can clearly see, they're very bright. I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you guys that if you want to see the second smart car, which we haven't shown anything about in these episodes really, because it's been the same as the first smart car, the second one is going to be at the DeBoss Garage meetup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how we did a second one and what changes we did, and to see it kind of half completed, because I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on it lately, half completed car. It runs in first gear if someone else puts it in gear. Cool, see you guys there.